This wheel still knows his hands better than it knows mine. Same cracked seat, same prayer hanging off the mirror. The Porte got quiet after we put him in the ground. But you didn't. Daddy used to park you crooked in the drive, coffee on the dash, worn Bible on the seat. Said a man don't need much if the Lord's got the wheel. Then heaven called him home and left me you. This old truck has been good to me. My dad once drove it before they laid him down. This old truck has been good to me. Now I just hope she don't quit on me. You've been all over La Porte and back again. Hauled me, hauled my kids all over town. Ball games, grocery bags, late night fever runs, same tired engine, praying its way down Main. This old truck has been good to me. Hauled my daddy, hauled my baby, still hauling me. This old truck has been good to me. Now I just hope she don't quit on me. I sit here after dark with the windows down, talking to rust and memory like they can answer. Daddy's body quit, you didn't. And I keep wondering if grace works like that. Old dented still turning over when I ain't got the strength to turn it myself. If a promise can outlive a man, if mercy still starts in the morning, I don't need a new chrome or a quieter ride. Just keep carrying what he started. And this old truck has been good to me. My dad once drove it before they laid him down. And this old truck has been good to me. Lord, I pray she don't quit on me. If she's still running at first light, maybe he wasn't the only one who didn't leave me stranded. Good night, girl. Don't you quit on me.